Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Cook and Eat with Rabia. And today we are going to see another Bakri Eid special recipe, that is the mutton chutney. This mutton chutney is a multi-purpose side dish and it works well with almost all the dishes. You can enjoy this chutney as a side dish for khichdi, dal rice, and even you can make roti rolls and sandwiches out of it. It works well with rice, roti, and even with bread. So let us start with the recipe of this amazing mutton chutney. So starting with the recipe, for that take a pressure cooker. In this heat 200 ml of sesame oil, which is also known as tilka tel in Hindi and nallanai in Tamil. Now once the oil is heated, in this add 3 to 4 medium sized cinnamon stick. And now in this add 150 grams of garlic. And then let the garlic cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. So after 2 to 3 minutes, in this add 1 kg of mutton or beef. Today I am using mutton. You can also use beef for this recipe. So just mix the mutton and other ingredients well together. So the measurement of the ingredients over here is for 1 kg of mutton. Now in this add salt according to your taste and 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. And then mix all these ingredients well together. So once you've mixed all these ingredients well together, just close the lid of the pressure cooker and let it cook for around 6 to 7 whistles until your mutton is cooked well. So after around 6 to 7 whistles, once the mutton is cooked well, you can see that our mutton is cooked well. So now you can store the mutton into the refrigerator for about 1 month, and you can take some of the mutton whenever required and follow the upcoming steps to make the mutton chutney. Or else if you don't want to store it, you can directly follow the upcoming step and make the mutton chutney. So let us start with the mutton chutney's recipe. So starting with the recipe of the mutton chutney, for that take a pan and in this heat 3 teaspoons of coconut oil. And once the oil is heated, in this add 5 dried red chili. Just break it into small pieces and add it into the oil and roast the dried red chili well with the oil for about 1 to 2 minutes. So once you've roasted the dried red chili for about 1 to 2 minutes, in this add the boiled mutton which we prepared earlier. Add 500 grams, that is half kg of boiled mutton which we prepared earlier, into the pan. So the measurement for making the mutton chutney is for half kg of the boiled mutton. So add half kg of the boiled mutton and mix all these ingredients well together. Now in this we are going to add salt according to your taste. This is optional. If you feel that the salt is less in the mutton, you can add it, or else you can skip it. Now just mix all these ingredients well together and then cook the mutton until the water is evaporated completely and the mutton is dried out. Now just shred the mutton pieces with the help of the spatula as shown into the video. So just shred it out all the mutton pieces as shown into the video here. So here you can see that I've shredded out the mutton pieces and the water is also evaporating slowly. So just shred the mutton pieces as shown into the video and then just cook the mutton until it is dried completely and it becomes crispy enough. And now in this we are going to add the secret ingredient, that is black pepper powder. Add around 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder in it. And then mix all these ingredients well together and cook the mutton until the mutton is crispy enough. Just cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes until the mutton becomes crispy. So just cook the mutton well until the moisture content is evaporated and the mutton becomes crispy. So after around 5 to 10 minutes, you can see that the moisture content is absorbed and the mutton is dried out completely and it is crispy enough. So our tasty and delicious mutton chutney is ready. So our tasty and delicious mutton chutney is ready to serve. Now you can either make rolls out of this mutton chutney. For that, just take a roti or the chapati, and in this add around 2 teaspoons of the mutton chutney which we prepared and roll the roti as shown into the video. Now in this you can also add mayonnaise and some onions if you like it, but here I am just rolling it simply. And your mutton roll is also ready. And the best part about this mutton chutney is that this is travel friendly. This chutney lasts long for about 2 to 3 days. So you can have it while you are traveling. And you can also have it with dal rice and khichdi. So our tasty and delicious Bakri Eid special mutton chutney is ready to serve. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have any doubt about the recipe, please let us know into the comment below. Thanks for watching. Thank you.